really stinging. And like, I don't know. And I don't like the color of this lip balm. It's too pinkish. My nails are like long now. So I really wanna take it out. But at the same time, do I have to get another set of nails for the oath taking in 21? And also, I bought